Hello, this is a short video for EE498 to show off PCB demonstration. Here for this project for the IoT devices to monitor room use, we have 3 of the 5 PCBs that we're going to show off. The first one here is the smart bin module, which is an IR emitter with a IR receiver that we use to detect objects in front of. So the plan is to put this in a trash can, and as the amount of trash fills up, it'll eventually hit the light from this emitter, reflect back to the emitter, to the receiver, and then set off a signal. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. Go ahead and plug in PCB. And as we can see, turns on. The screen LED just tells you that the power supply works fine and that it's on. This blue LED lets you know that the circuit is operational and working. And if I move my finger here in front of the emitter, the light will hit it, then reflect back to the emitter, which causes the LED, the second LED, to turn on, letting you know there's something in front of it, or that enough trash is piled up in front of the emitter to go and replace it. Alright. The second PCB is the item tracking module. So similar to the IR sensor, we have on the back side here I think the right name for this is the CRT1000, I think, but it's basically just an RF emitter and emitter pointed at the same direction. To, if we put this in front of an object and it's there, it'll emit high, and if nothing's there, it'll emit a low. So just to let someone know if an item is missing or gone. So as you can see currently, blue LED to let you know that the circuit is operational on, and as you can see, it's starting to turn on a little bit. Just change this a little bit because the potentiometer controls the resistance applied to the sensor. So yeah, let's turn that a little bit. So if there's an object in front, such as, let's say, this white box here, and we point the sensor toward the box, and you put it next to it, it'll remain high. So the idea is that we have this box here in front, and let's say someone takes it, the emitter will go low. So a way to keep track of items in a room, such as maybe towels, bars of soap, maybe a bottle of water, etc. And this last module is the water sensor module. The idea here is that we have this PCB plate where if water is applied to these small connections here, they'll form a closed circuit, sending a signal back around to the PCB, where an LED will send a signal that lets you know that there's water in an area that there's not supposed to be, such as on the sink or maybe on the floor or something like that. So again, green LED to let you know that the circuit is being powered, and to let you know that it's on. And now if we apply some water here to the plate, you're going to see once the water goes in these holes and forms a short, that LED will go, the second blue LED will go on. So let's add some more, and there you go. As you can see here, that as soon as the water kind of goes away, that the signal will also turn off. Right now it's on there, but if we went ahead and cut the water off, it'll turn off. Alright, and that concludes this PCB demonstration. And thank you for watching.